If your WSUS spool is crashing multiple times, whenever you click on reset server node and it is not coming up, I will help you to fix this issue temporarily, and also I'll give you a permanent solution. So to fix it, you have to open IIS. Once the IIS is open, click on your site and select application pools. Here the last pool you will find, which is WSUS pool. It should be in a stop state. Whenever a WSUS pool is stopped, it won't connect to console. So just start the WSUS pool and you should be able to connect to the console. Now this is just a temporary solutions, because even after starting the pool it can crash again. To fix it permanently, go to the same IIS WSUS pool. On the right hand side you will find an option which is advanced settings, where you will find settings related to process, CPU, general. Now you need to make some changes. Go to Google first and just type WSUS recommended IIS server settings, and a WSUS Microsoft page will open up. I will paste the link in the description as well. Open it, scroll it down, and you will find the same advanced settings tab over here. So these 5 settings which are coming up, you need to change those settings as per the Microsoft recommendation, and you need to reset the IIS. So let me make those changes right now, and we'll reset the IIS. So the first thing is changing the queue length. We have to change it to 2000. My bad, just okay. Now the second settings is idle timeout should be 0. By default it will be 20. The third setting is ping enable should be false. Private memory needs to be 0. This is an important part. And the final settings should be the regular time interval. It should be set to 0 as well. Okay, once done, just click on OK. Open command prompt as an administrator and type IIS reset. You can see the service has restarted. Now this issue should be permanently fixed and the WSUS console would be more stable. Please hit like and subscribe to our channel and support us. Thank you for watching.